Hi guys, so today we're going to be making a basic calculator that can take in one number as an input and the second number as an input. Okay, so this is the code, and what this will do is it'll ask for one number and a second number and add them. But there's an error. It's not an error, but we all know that 1 plus 1 is not 11. So, we need, if we add int, if we add int, it will look for a whole number. It'll turn num1 into a whole number and num2 into a whole number and actually add both those whole numbers. There you go. But say you want, like, maybe you want decimals. You want to make Python do hardcore math. Value error, invalid literal for int with base 1.2. Because since it only takes in whole numbers and decimals aren't whole numbers, it won't work. Now, if we replace int with float, oh, oops, let me fix this. 1 second. Float. Float is normally for decimals. Now, we get a decimal. Now, here's something that may look a bit weird. You see this, right? This is the same thing as 4. If anything is followed by a dot and then a 0 for decimals, it will mean the same thing. Watch. This is the answer you would get. You can just ignore this because this is the same thing as just the number. This will also accept decimals like you saw before. Even the biggest decimal you got. You will get your answer. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye.